My name is Dimas Adhi Sugiharto. I'm currently heading marketing growth and partnership in Aladin Bank. So here in Aladin Bank, we focus on serving the unserved and underserved by delivering two things to the market. Firstly is delivering our financial service through the preferred channel of our user. In this case, by having a strategic partnership with one of the biggest retailer in Indonesia, Alfamart, where they provide all of our financial services in their brick and mortar. And the second one is we also focus on delivering our services to the market by betting big on embedded finance, where we provide our financial services in the preferred channel and preferred app or preferred partners that our user use. With this, we hope that we can elevate the livelihood of Indonesian by providing a Syariah compliant financial services and to serve our mission as the first Syariah digital bank in Indonesia. So the evolution of a financial service that we see is that everything happened so fast. We see that in Aladin, our onboarding time for a new customer is actually less than 7 minutes. This means that we can interact with our customer faster. But comes the challenge of maintaining and retaining the customer within a certain time frame becoming more difficult and becoming more challenging. Hence, we see that one of the challenges that we see in the financial services nowadays, specifically in Aladin Bank, is how do we maintain the quality and retention of the customer within a specific period of time. So one of the way that MoEngage has helped the Aladin team as well as we as the growth team has evolved is that we focus on delivering a few of automation related to a program that we call CLM or Customer Lifecycle Management, where we see after the onboarding, after their first transaction or after their first top-up, we want to make sure that customers is engaged and we want to maintain the process at scale and automate it. This is where MoEngage comes in and help us with this solution. One of the metrics that has been improved is that, of course, our retention cohort has improved almost 1.5 times after we implement CLM with the help of MoEngage. And also, we also see that in terms of user quality, we also see that users are frequently more transacting by us contacting them at scale, as well as engaging in more and more now and in the future. Yeah, so I think the segmentation, the hyper segmentation feature is one of the winning formula for any marketers, especially in financial services and financial services that is related to technology. Having a very clear understanding of the segment is one of the key to go to market faster, go to market with higher quality, as well as retaining the user. By hyper segmentation, this means that we can offer a contextual offering to the user, understand our user better. And I think what the ability of MoEngage of doing hyper segmentation has helped us in a great way. Yeah. So speaking about customer centricity, the whole premise and the whole strategy of go-to-market of Aladin is actually revolved around customer centricity, where we first deliver our financial services through a preferred channel of our user, in this case, Alfamart, to do all of the financial services there. So basically, customer centricity is something that we hold very dear in our heart. And what is its relation to our MoEngage engagement as well as strategy is that by first defining the segment that we have and understanding the segment that we have and understanding the characteristic of the hyper segmentation, we know that each segment has their own different offering that we can either offer or build for them to offer in the future. So yeah, so basically customer centricity will always be inside our mindset, and delivering it through whether it's through channel or hyper segmentation or even communication strategy through MoEngage will always be our strategy now and in the future. It has been a very great experience for me. Talking with one of the brightest mind in financial services, we had a lot of discussion with other fintech banks as well as e-wallet players. And one of the things that we really like on the event like MoEngage here is a chance to network, not only with fellow industry players, but also future collaborators with Aladin, because we always believe that the future of banking relies in partnership and making it as open as possible. So I thank MoEngage for the chance to speak at the forum, as well as the chance to actually network with fellow players in the market. Yeah, so we have a very strong and I can say safe data privacy regulation, which is determined by BIOGK and related ministry. And as a bank, we are supportive of that. But we also believe that as a bank who handle first layer of customers' transaction data, we need to be very responsible with the data. And MoEngage has helped us in a way that, for instance, the feature of tokenization means that we can understand a customer's a specific segment, understand customer specific criteria and also characteristic without divulging the PII. So I think a platform like MoEngage need to always continue innovating on making sure you have the right balance between ability of and flexibility of playing with the data, as well as the regulator perspective, meaning PII need to be safe, as well as making sure that sensitive data can be consumed without the worry of the data being leaked, something along that line. If I were to compare MoEngage to a superhero, I will pick, this is gonna sounds cheesy, I will pick Iron Man. Because there's a lot of thinking behind all of the action behind Iron Man. Sometimes one cannot see in the very beginning. But yeah, so the relevancy is that at the end of the day, MoEngage is a tools. The insight that you're gonna get, it depends on the user, how dedicated are you on understanding the depth of the information that is provided by MoEngage. So yeah.